Okay, so markdown links open location controls where links and markdown files should be opened. So there's a distinction here between the markdown itself, meaning this file, and the markdown preview, meaning its preview, right? So here we are not talking about the preview, and the preview also has the open markdown links setting that defines where to open the links. So if I go and preview this file, and this link, this cool link links to that file, and we can go back and forth, right? And this happens inside the preview, right? Now, what happens if I click the same link but on the markdown itself? You can either open it beside it, or the default option, current group. So you just open the file next to it, and you can jump between the files. I prefer this option instead of the beside one. So, and this is the default, by the way. So I'm going to leave this setting with its default option of current group.